In this module, I'll show you how to flood your inbox with crazy amounts of sales using joint venture partnerships, or JV. In every business model, especially one related to product launches, you need to leverage off promoters. In other words, a JV. A JV is a deal between product vendors or creators and the affiliate to promote a product in exchange for a commission. So, unlike traditional agreements, JV partners may enjoy several special privileges, like higher commission payout, early review access, and a degree of influence over your offer and product launches. So why should you consider having a JV to promote your launches and products? Well, which of these two offers more leverage? Scenario 1, you promote using 100% of your efforts, or Scenario 2, 1% of 100 people's efforts as they promote your product simultaneously throughout your product launch period. It's a lot better to have an army of affiliates promoting your product because you get a lot more leverage for less effort. Now that you've seen its potential, there are 5 top things to avoid in striking a potential JV partner. The first thing to do is not to approach a potential JV partner whenever he is busy. Sounds like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised by how many product vendors annoy the heck out of a busy JV affiliate with multiple direct messages. Try not to disturb a potential JV who is busy prepping for his next product launch, his next vacation, or anything that needs his utmost attention. You might end up pushing him away. This is by no means your fault, so try to avoid this from happening by being more observant on the people you aspire to work with. Keep tabs on their schedule and approach them when they are the least busy. The second important don't is to not invite your JV partner on a very short notice. If you have a product launch coming up soon, never give a notice of invitation on the very last minute. It is courteous to give the potential JV partner a heads-up notice of at least 2 to 4 weeks in advance before your product launch. The next part is inviting a JV partner with nothing valuable to offer. If the potential JV sees you don't have any reciprocal value to offer or history of not reciprocating equally or better in promotions, then it'll be difficult for the JV to promote your product. Next is to avoid inviting a JV who is not in the same niche as you. Are there irrelevant products you are pushing your potential JV to promote to their subscribers? You can't expect your JV who is in the internet marketing make money online niche to push out a personal development product. The last thing to avoid is doing the me first approach. This is one of the most ineffective approaches. The reality of inviting a JV partner is that you need the JV partner more than he needs you. What your JV wants to know is whenever he promotes your product, what's in it for him. So ensure that both of you have a promotion that requires more or less the same effort from each other to keep things in balance. These are the top 5 things to avoid when striking up potential JV partners. To make things easier for you and your JV partners, offer to do all the work so they can focus on what they do best, bringing in sales for you.